Okay, I got my printer. It's really exciting. It's sitting up here beside me. It's pretty awesome to have. It's from Machina. It's a company that we found in Edmonton, Alberta. And this was a custom make for me. This is one of their models, but they made it a bit different in dimensions so it could fit a 12 by 12 base on it. So I just got it. I've been poking around a little bit. Got it to power on, poked a couple buttons, checked it out. And I want to print something. Really want to print something. But before I do anything, got a couple quick things to check, and about the only one I know of right now is to make sure it's all level. Not the best level I know, but it's all I got right now. Uh-huh, that looks pretty good. So first thing is we're going to throw some PLA in here. Open this bad boy up. There we go. Ah yes, do not eat the silica gel, not edible. I'm being beat by shrink wrap. There we go. Okay, open up here. Now, that first bit of filament, that looks kind of ugly. Let's just take that off. In the tube. So I've watched people do 3D printing and I've read about it a bit, but this is the first time I've ever really seen a 3D printer in person, to be honest. So this is kind of cool. Open the hatch. There we go. All right, pushing it up through the tube. Cool. Now this looks like a spring to release the little grippers in there, so we're gonna go with that. I don't actually know, I'm just kind of guessing here, but feels good. Oh yeah, that totally grips when you let go of it. All right, we're in there tight. Back this off. I think we're loaded. All right. So on this card, there is a PLA calibration print. So that's what we're going to do for the first print. Okay, I do know that this has to be raised. So we'll open the lid here. Because it's got a full enclosure, it needs the airflow for the PLA. Oh, look at her go. Yeah! First print ever. Well, we're making melted plastic anyway. We'll see what happens. It's looking good. Oh, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit. Looking pretty good. Got my scraper, I guess. Ah, would you look at that? It's like I made a little Pac-Man. Looks pretty good. Man, for a first try and not knowing what the heck I'm doing, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I gotta figure out what I'm doing.